Good morning, guys. So I'm very happy. I'm so super happy because it's my birthday today. But anyways, currently it's like 9:10 a.m. in the morning, and I just woke up like before 1 hour, and I just did all my morning chores, brushed my teeth, and had my tea and completed all the morning chores, and now I'm finally here to film the video. So right now I'm just here to talk with you all about my daily schedule, like about what I'm going to do today, like for my special birthday purpose. So yeah, let's get started with what are the things that I'm going to cover today in this video, what are the things that I'm going to do today, and yeah, let's get started. So talking about my daily schedule, my daily timetable. So after waking up, I usually do my online classes, but as it's my birthday today, so obviously I'm not in the mood of doing online class, and nobody usually do online class on his or her birthday, so I'm also not going to do my online classes today. But my online classes is going to start after like 20 minutes, but I'm not going to do that. Also today I had my tuition, but I'm not going to go to my tuition today. And at the night time, my friends are going to come at my house, and we're just going to have some fun. Also, there are so many tasks for me to complete today, the task which I personally want to do today at my in my birthday. So yeah, let me discuss. Okay, so the first thing that I need to do, or that I want to do today, is that the first thing that I need to do is that, as today my friends are going to come, I need to clean up my desk. Although my desk is not that messy, but still I need to kind of clear out the dust, whatever that is gathered. I need to clean my desk. I also need to set up my YouTube background. I also need to choose my outfit which I'm going to wear today. I also need to make some Instagram reels. I also need to make another YouTube video with my friends. Also, there are I need to plan for that YouTube video. I need to edit this video also. I need to paint my nails, because you can see how my nails look like. So yeah, I need to paint my nails as well, and there are so many more things to do. I just can't remember. So yeah, I need to do this many stuff. So yeah, the first thing that I'm going to do is that, now I have already had my tea and etc. So now the first thing that I'm going to do is that I'm just going to go and quickly make a to-do list. By the way, guys, I don't think that this video is going that interesting, but if you're getting bored, then please, I'm very sorry. But yeah, now the first thing that I'm going to do is that I'm going to make a to-do list. Yeah, let's go. Hi guys, I'm back. So I have finally made my to-do list, and now what I'm going to do is that I'm just not in the mood of going to start the work right now. So now I'm just going to just chill a bit, just scroll through my mobile, and just watch all the kind of all the good blessings, and all the status and the WhatsApp and everything that my friends have given and everything. I'm just going to basically scroll through some social media and do some updates in Instagram and YouTube, and after that I'm going to spend some quality time with myself and my family, and after that I'm just going to start my work. So yeah, see you after a bit. Hi guys, so I am back. So I had been taking a break, I was just spending some time with my family. I was just scrolling through social media, and yeah, I was just I had been just taking like a break, and I'm just finally back. So yeah, I had already showed you like my to-do list, wherein I have written all my tasks, whatever I need to do today. And now what I'm going to do is that, now finally I'm going to be working on my to-do list, like working on my tasks, whatever I need to do today. So the first thing that I'm going to do is that, first thing I'm going to clean my desk. So let me show you. what is the condition of my desk. Although my desk is not that messy, but there are few things that should not be on my desk, so I need to like keep that things away from my desk, and I need to just clean my desk a little bit. My desk is not that messy, but I need to just clean it a little bit. And yeah, right now it's like 10:40 in the morning, and yeah, I'm also very much hungry. So yeah, after I clean my desk, I'll go and quickly have my breakfast. And yeah, so yeah, let's go. So guys, as you can see, this is what my desk looks like. I know it's looking messy, but believe me, it's not that messy. It will take me just a minute or so to clean it, because this home theater, we have just situated it, like we have just shifted it from our another room to my desk, just because today my friends are coming and we are going to listen to some songs, etc. So for that reason, I have just shifted this home theater to my desk. So this is just going to stay over here, and only this part of the desk is just messy, so I'm just going to clean it in a so guys, as you saw, I cleaned up my desk just now, and right now I'm very hungry, so I'm just going to go to my kitchen and see whether the breakfast is ready or not. I think the breakfast is already ready, almost ready. So yeah, I'm just gonna go and have quickly my breakfast, and yeah, then I'll meet you up guys. So yeah, bye bye. Okay guys, so I saw that my breakfast is almost ready, but my mom was saying me to go and have a shower today, like had to have an early shower. So for that reason, I'm thinking to like go and have a shower first before having my breakfast. So yeah, that is what I'm gonna do. I'm going to go and quickly have my shower. So yeah, see you later. Hi guys, so I'm back again. I know I'm looking a little bit ugly, kind of very bad, but anyways, so I'm back again. I am back from my shower. I have done my shower, I have done my skincare, I have taken my breakfast as well, and now I'm back. I'm here filming the video. I have also changed my outfit, as you can see. So yeah, my hairs are also wet. My hairs are just drying naturally. Also, like pretty much of the like everything, like most of the works are done. Like I have cleaned my desk. Also, now I have also edited kind of little bit of the video. I thought to clean some other parts of the room, other rooms that are also cleaned now. And I need to make some now the things which are left, the works which are left to be done are like I need to make some Instagram reels, I need to choose my outfit, I need to paint my nails. So yeah, the next thing that I'm going to do is that I'm going to paint. Hi guys, so as you can see right now my hairs are just drying in the ear, like hair drying. So after some time, that is like after 5 to 10 minutes, I'm just gonna go and paint my nails, because I don't have anything more to do. So I'll just go and paint my nails, and I'll just allow my hairs to dry as they are. So I'll just allow my hairs to dry, and in the mid of the time I'll just paint my nails. So yeah, let's go. Hi guys, I'm back again, and now I have been like completed with a lot of tasks. Like I have paint my nails, I have like choose my outfit, but I have not showed you which outfit I'm gonna be wearing today. But I will show you my outfit like later on in the day. Like when I'm gonna wear my outfit, I'll show it to you, but not now. I have already choose my outfit, I have also paint my nails, and I have already showed it to you all. And I have also cleaned my desk. Everything is done basically. Now what I'm gonna do is that now I'm just gonna like sit down and edit some videos. I am gonna plan some Instagram reels, and yeah, and it's currently like 1:30. So I think my friends are gonna come like at 5 o'clock. So yeah, I will just go, kind of just chill now, because I don't have anything to do. I have also taken my shower, so yeah, I will just chill now. I don't have basically anything to do. So yeah, I'll just chill, watch some television, spend some time with my family, scroll through social media, and yeah, that's basically what I'm gonna do now. I basically don't have anything to do. Maybe I'll journal a bit, and yeah, and this is how my nail paint looks like. I have already showed it to you all, and again I'm just showing it to you all. So yeah, let's go. Hi guys, so now what I'm gonna do is that while making my to-do list, I had already told you, I had already showed you that I need to also set up my YouTube background. So as you can see, that is basically like my YouTube background. That's like the place where I sit and kind of make my YouTube videos. And let me show you. And that's like the bottom part of my YouTube background. And if you want a detailed video, I can make such a video. And that's also just a kind of hanger. But anyways, and that's the place where I usually film my videos. And before it was little bit different. And today I want to just give it like a little bit different touch. So what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna be hanging this orange dupatta over there. So now I'm just gonna be giving a different touch to my YouTube background. So that is what I'm gonna do right now. So yeah, let's do that. So guys, as you can see, this is how I created my YouTube background. I have just added this orange dupatta, and yeah, that is how it looks like. I have just made this just for a few days, and again I'm just gonna change it because I like changing YouTube backgrounds. And yeah, that's it for my work. My all of my works are just done, and now I'm just gonna chill because I'm very tired. I'm literally I'm literally very exhausted. So I'm just gonna chill right now, and after that I'm gonna have my lunch. And then after that, I think I'm gonna have a short nap. And after that I'm gonna also, I need to do my makeup, I need to shoot some Instagram reels, and then my friends are gonna come, and then we are gonna have so much of fun. So yeah, hi guys. So I got ready, and I have also done my makeup because after some time my friends are going to come. So they were supposed to come at 5 o'clock, but now I text them, and I asked them in WhatsApp that when you all are going to come, because it's almost 5 o'clock. Then when you all are going to come, then they said that they are going to come at 6 o'clock, which is still 1 hour left. So I was like, what, you all are going to come after 1 hour? So they said, yeah, we have some problems, so we are going to come after 1 hour. I was like, okay, no problem. So yeah, I got ready. I am wearing this I have done such a kind of makeup. I have done very simple makeup, just a little dark lipstick, and like no makeup at all. And yeah, I have wearing this frock. I'll show you my outfit. And yeah, I have also done some Instagram reels, but I'm not sure whether I'm gonna upload that today or not, because the Instagram reel did not turn out well. So maybe I'll do that Instagram reel afterwards again. And yeah, I have also cleaned my room, and also like arranged everything for my friends because they are going to come. And yeah, let me show you what I have wore. So guys, this is what I have wore. I hope you all can see. So I have wore this kind of such a frock, black and white in color, and I have wore this sweater as well. But I really don't like this sweater, but yeah, I have just worn this sweater. I'll show you my full frock as okay. You all saw my outfit, and now basically as I don't have anything to do, so I'll just chill and wait for my friends. So yeah, see you all later. Hi guys, I'm back, and my friends are also here, so I'll show them to you. I'll introduce them to you. So guys, here are my three friends. This is Simple, this is Priya, and this is Shonamani. So they have come here, and now they are going to have something. So yeah, meet you later.